is 3 things that Joovier's gems did to make me profitable, and the third one might shock you. I used to watch him all the time when I was broke, blown account, sitting in the pantry line and wondering if it was ever gonna work out for me. His videos always gave me hope when I literally had no proof yet. If you don't know who this guy is, you probably seen him on TikTok making $20,000 every single day. Like, bruh, how are you doing that? I didn't even know what a candlestick was until he came across my feed. I didn't even know that you could make money when the market goes down until I was watching his videos. My name is Kalen Trades, and after studying the market for 3 years, failing, backtesting, breaking even, becoming profitable, I've been able to develop my own system. I was able to become consistently profitable, quit my job, get my dream car, and alleviate all of our debt in a matter of months. And Juvier is a big part of that. Let me show you how. So this is him right here. He has over 400,000 subscribers, a whole bunch of amazing content. Go ahead and show him some love. So the first thing that Joovier really did for me was give me hope. And I really wanted to show you guys this to just show you the perspective that I was in as I was trying to become profitable.
Y'all have teleported another 5 days and everything is done. Today is the day when I finally get to surprise my wife with this absolutely beautiful car. Oh yeah, this is tough. I ain't gonna lie, I might gotta drive this. I was joking in the intro saying I might have.
What made this even more special is that I wanted a Tesla real bad, like when I was watching this, and I didn't even know how I was gonna get it. I knew I wanted one, but I didn't know.
For myself, but sheesh. And he got the gold on the black on the back of it. This is fire.
So this might look like a regular flex for the average person, but imagine me being in the line at the pantry, getting ready to get my groceries because I couldn't afford none, barely could afford gas, and just watching this video and getting the inspiration, realizing that, yo, another young black man is doing this. This could be possible for me. And at the time, I was not thinking about Lamborghinis and big houses. I was trying to survive, bruh. And these are the type of videos that will fuel me, man.
It's perfect.
You didn't expect anything?
It's hot. No.
Oh, really?
I'm thinking we're going to the party. I'm like, why we keep walking in the heat? Why are we taking a thumbnail from somebody else's car?
Bruh, if you watch videos like this and you salty in the comment section, you're the problem, okay? And you the reason that you're not profitable because you can't be happy for nobody. But hope was the first thing, right? So I needed to have hope and a belief to be able to carry me to believe that the second thing, it is possible, man. This dude really helped me believe that it was possible, bro. Cause like when I first got introduced to the market, I thought it was all stocks, but then I realized like, yo, these guys using a lot of big words that I don't understand. I would watch videos of these like super smart people saying, yeah, the equilibrium of the high and low need to liquidate the 15th second. In order to liquidate the second, it has to do a supply and demand on the inverse fair value gap. And I'm like, bro, what are you talking about, bro? I thought it was buy and sell. Like, I would just be so confused, like, bro, what did you just say? What? Like, what I really loved about this dude's content is he would like make it feel possible and real without using big words. Like, I felt like when I watched his video that I could be able to understand what he was saying and apply it to my own life. Let me show you an example.
Let me put y'all on to the super simple strategy that I use literally every day to make money day trading.
So my day literally starts off, I'm usually on the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame. And all I'm looking for is recent highs and lows, meaning recent places where price rejected at, whether it's for buys or for sells. So here, if I'm looking at my chart, I see price rejected up here. I see price rejected down here. So I mark both these off. Now, once I have them marked off, I then
First of all, do you see how simple that is? Like, we're not gonna watch the full video for the full strategy, but do you see what I'm talking about? Like, that's why it worked for me. Like 3 years ago, I would have understood all of that. You made me feel like I didn't have to understand every single word in the moment. All I really understood was buy, sell, up, down. So it had me thinking that, wait, profitability doesn't mean that you're trying to sound smart. It just means having a good system and studying it to a T. And that's when everything got simplified for me. And so the third thing that Joovier helped me with, the final thing, was he taught me my strategy. Now wait, before you flame me in the comments, bro, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about.
Finding the pattern. Now, obviously you guys can watch YouTube videos, you guys can see strategies on TikTok, on Instagram Reels, wherever you see other people trading, you can either take a strategy from them, or you can kind of go in the trenches like I was doing it in the beginning of my journey by spending an insane amount of time on the charts until you notice certain patterns, whether that price does something at this time of day, or after this happens, price does
does this, or this happens the day before, this happens the next day. Whatever those patterns are, you can either go through that route. We just need a base for our strategy.
So let me show you guys exactly what that looked like for me. So I started noticing that price would always reject off of imbalances in the market, or it would at least react. So anytime that you would see a fair value gap, price would typically react. So if you have this 15-minute fair value gap right here, price would just reject, like something would happen and it would cause it to just react and do something. Even like right here, like this is the live market, this is what's happening right now, but you have a fair value gap that was formed on the downside. You got a rejection right here and a rejection right here. It showed me that there's something. I'm gonna do one more because it's just crazy how often price rejects off of fair value gaps. But that was the first thing. I started noticing, okay, that's a pattern. That's something that the market is really respecting, right?
Look over the past 90 days. Go over the past 90 days with that same pattern that you saw, that same strategy that you saw, and back test it. There's a back testing feature on TradingView, but there's also another platform that I personally like called FX Replay. I think you can get like a 5-day free trial or something like that. I don't know. Just go to their website. It'll probably be like a 5-day free trial or whatever, or pay for the monthly thingy. It'll drastically help you out. Honestly, FX Replay is...
So I never used FX Replay, but I would practice with friends that did have it, and it always helped us a lot.
I'm not sponsored by them. They don't pay me or nothing like that. They just have helped
me either
drastically when it comes to making these profitable strategies. So as you're back testing this strategy, whatever that strategy is, let's say it's a break and retest on the 3-minute time frame, and you only go for a 2-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. Whatever your strategy is, and you back tested 90 times, as you're back testing, make sure you're journaling the trades.
So I would go in and I would notice, like, okay, like over the past 90 days on the 15-minute, I'm just gonna go mark every fair value gap. And so what I started doing was, let's see if I still have it, where I had a template. I don't have it anymore, but I had a template where it would be win, loss, break even. So it'd be red for loss, green for win, yellow for break even. And what I would do was screenshot every single trade, or sorry, every single reaction that took place. And then I would go into ChatGPT and I would say, calculate the win rate just off of fair value gaps. Like, how often did price reject if I would have went for a 1 to 2 with a stop loss at, I think, like 6 points. So I was doing like that, right? And as I was identifying, I was realizing, like, wait a minute, what about the 1 minute? So I was really like studying, like, okay, hold on, let's see. And I went back a little more than 90 days.
That is, you want to track when you had a winning trade, track when you had a losing trade, track when there was no setup at all that day. Also, you want to track other small metrics like, was there news that day? Or is there any heavy news coming up in the following days?
I ain't gonna cap, I did skip that step and I kind of wish I didn't.
And once you have all that, obviously write the risk to reward ratio of that trade, right? If you're always going for a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, or if you're always going for the last high, last low, whatever it is for you. But once you have that, you also need to write what I like to call is just why I won or why I lost phrase.
I didn't know why I won or why I lost. So when I went into the market, I noticed these fair value guys were getting rejected. I started going on the 1 minute and I realized that, okay, when price moves in a direction, right? When it moves in a direction like this, how often does price reject off the fair value gap? That would essentially be in what I know now is discount. What I didn't know at the time was, I was like, okay, it retraces back very high, then it rejects. And I started noticing a pattern of, okay, when price is in a direction, maybe I could get in the fair value gap on the direction. And that's actually where I came up with my 1 minute continuation course, which is on YouTube for free right now. So I found this indicator right here that marks the fair value gaps for you. And then I put on an EMA, and the EMA that I use is the 30 EMA, just to help me understand direction.
You've tested it, then you've optimized it and tested the optimized version of it. Now that optimization is part 1 of the optimization. Optimization just based off of the notes that you took. The second optimization is going based off of scrolling back on the back testing, seeing your trades, and you're able to actually see patterns in your winning and patterns in your losing trades. For example, let's say every time you enter, if the candlestick after you enter goes against you, 80% of the time you end up losing the trade, regardless if it took you out on that candlestick or not. So it just makes sense moving forward for you to cut your losses if the candlestick after you entered, you ended up losing 80% of those trades.
So this is where I developed a core piece of the strategy that I have right now, where I would jump off the 1 minute and I would go back to the 15 minute and I would identify highs and lows on the 15 minutes. This is where the 15-minute low would have been, right? I noticed that, okay, when I mark lows in the market and price breaks through, I wonder if I can go to the 1 minute and enter off a fair value gap and see how often price will reject. So I would start practicing that and just creating limit orders and just tracking the losses and wins. Now, this is my current strategy. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit later of just, how I've been able to utilize it, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys how it works. Price would have hit TP on that. So that's how I developed my strategy. And mind you, I'm just freestyling. I just opened the charts. What I noticed was when price would start retracing back, because it started happening a lot, right? So I would try to get in trades after the 15-minute break, but I noticed that it would only retrace a little bit and then completely go in the opposite direction. And that part is in my course. I can't say that in this video, but there's things that I look for in here as price is going down and it breaks a low point, or if it's going up and it breaks a low point, what needs to happen inside of here? There are different things that need to happen inside of here in order for this trade to play out. And you got to get the course for that. But that's what I ended up looking for. And man, Juvier helped me so freaking much with that, man. So that's how Joovier made me profitable, bruh. That dude changed my life, bro. I don't have a job anymore. I got my dream car. I got the Tesla. We have no debt. I want to give a special shout and thanks to Joovier, man. Thank you for all that you do for young traders in the community, man. Thank you for the follow on IG too, baby. I have a special announcement. Joovier just launched a coaching course platform that is going to shape the game, guys. My course is on there. It is officially launched today. Go ahead and get that, y'all. Anybody that goes on guiding.ai with the link in my description will get a huge discount on the course, only if you see this video. If you don't see this video, then you can't get the coupon code. But go ahead and get my course on there, guys. It will be a blessing to you. It shows the exact strategy to a T of what I showed you in this video today. Again, Juvier, thank you so much, brother. Click this video right here because I'm showing people why traders fail prop firm challenges and how psychology kills their funded accounts. And if this video helped you at all, please like the video, drop a comment, tell me what prop firm that you're trying to get funded with, and subscribe because I am pumping out content and I just want to be a blessing to people. So I'll see y'all in that video right there.